Hello friends, today we are going to cover the English section for Ibps PO Prelims exam. If you have not watched my earlier videos, you can go to the overview video where you will get an idea of the various sections which are going to be held in the preliminary examination. So today I will be covering the English section for Ibps PO Prelims exam. As you can see, the online prelims exam are scheduled to be held on 12th and 13th October and 19th and 20th of October. So I'll be covering each chapter separately. As you can see, the preliminary exam consists of 3 parts. English language has 30 questions with 30 marks, and the medium will be only in English, and you will get a time of 20 minutes to complete the test. Here you have to note one main thing is that you will be having a negative mark, 1/4 of the mark given for a question, or 0.25 marks will be deducted for every wrong answer which you are given. So be very careful while attempting this part. The more the negative questions you have answered, the more is the chance that your cutoff will come down. So the English paper has main 3 parts. That's grammar, vocabulary and comprehension. These are the main 3 sections which you have to concentrate more. If you are thorough with these sections, you will be easily able to crack the English part. The English section will mainly consist of the topics which are shown: reading comprehension, cloze test, para jumbles. These are very important. Fill in the blanks, error detection, paragraph completion, double fillers, sentence arranging, phrase replacement, para jumbles. And there are of course other miscellaneous topics which are not covered. They may come sometimes or sometimes they may not come. But these are the important topics which you have to cover. So the reading comprehension part, as you all will be aware, you might have given other exams also. A paragraph will be given, you have to read the paragraph. Based on the paragraph, 5 to 6 questions will be there. You have to give the answer accordingly, whatever is asked. What I would like to suggest you here is, as the reading of the passage takes much time and you have only 20 minutes to complete, you can keep the comprehension at the end of the 20 minutes. First complete all the other questions which will not take much time, and at the last come to comprehension part. And in that too, if you don't have much time, just go through the questions. You would get 2 to 3 questions which would be like these which I have shown. Which of the following words is most similar to the word given in the paragraph, so and so, like this. Give some antonym, give some synonym. So to answer these questions, you would not have to read the comprehension completely. So if you don't get time to read the comprehension completely, you can just answer these questions within the time gap which is left with you. And of course, if you have get enough time, then you can read the entire comprehension and answer all the questions. So do mock tests and practice accordingly. and make yourself thorough to make a strategy to complete this test. So coming to the next section will be error detection. The sentence will be given, which will be divided into 4 parts. Some words in bold will be there. You have to decide which of the following is inappropriate in the given context, and mark accordingly your answer. If you think all the contexts are right, then you can mark it as all correct. Option will be given A, B, C, D, which we have to select. So this is the error detection part. Read the sentence twice, thrice. Maybe at the first time you won't get the answer. If you read it twice or thrice, you will surely get the answer. Next is para jumbles. Here 5 to 6 paragraphs or sentence would be given to you. You have to rearrange them and select the answer accordingly. Next will be phrase replacement. The sentence will be given. Some part of the sentence will be given in bold. They would ask you to select one of the choice from the given options, which would replace the sentence which is given in bold. And if you don't think there is any correction required, then you will be given an option to select that also. So here also you have to read the sentence twice or thrice, and then you will surely get the answer. And next one is the sentence arranging. This is one of the most difficult, and also if you are good enough, then it's the most easiest also section. Here they would have given 5 to 6 sentences. You have to first arrange, and based on your arrangement, the next 5 to 6 questions will be there. If your arrangement is correct, you will get all these marks 5 to 6. And even if one sentence in your arrangement is wrong, then there's a chance of you getting all your answers wrong. So this sentence arranging plays a major role. You have to be very careful. Arrange your sentence using your intelligence and answer the questions. If you have any doubt in this section, please don't attempt it. Then you will have a closed test. Here a paragraph will be given with some blanks, and words will be given for you to fill up the blanks. You have to select the option among the given option and write this. One of the easiest section in English exam. With your common sense, you can answer this question and get these 5 to 6 marks easily. Then you will get some double fillers. A sentence will be given with 2 blanks, and 2 answers will be given for each option. You have to select the correct option and answer this question. These are some of the main important sections. And if you are thorough with these sections, you may get some other miscellaneous questions also. You'll be able to clear them also. That's no problem. As you can see, comparing the last year's preliminary cutoff for English section, you can see for general it was 8.75 and for others it was 5.50. So hardly around, if you get your 30% of your answers correct, you'll be easily able to clear this sectional cutoff. What you have to do is practice for this English section. Here are a few tips which I have given to improve your comprehension reading skills. As you might already be aware, just take a daily newspaper and read 2 to 3 paragraphs, or whichever section you like. You can choose it and you can read it. It will help you in improving your comprehension reading skills. Just take 5 antonyms and 5 synonyms daily. Don't take too much, you will not be able to remember it. Just take 5 antonyms and 5 synonyms daily and make it a habit to remember them. Take mock test with timers. Many of them are available freely over the internet. You can just Google them and practice. The more you practice, the more you will get confidence to answer these questions. Renan Martin English grammar book is one of the best book you can have to gain confidence in your grammar part. Among the 3 parts in the preliminary section, English is one of the easiest part to score marks. If you have a good mark in this section, you clear the cutoff with sectional cutoff with good mark, then these mark will add to your overall cutoff, which is very important. Even though you would have cleared your sections separately, but if you don't clear your overall cutoff mark, you won't be able to clear your prelims exam. So take this English section seriously. Normally people ignore this section, think that we already know it will be easy to do our English test. Just spend some time, not much, some time in this section and take this section somewhat seriously, and you will be able to score. Of course, the sectional cutoff is not a problem. You can get good marks to clear the overall cutoff. That's it for the English part. I'll be coming with the other sections of preliminary examination in my future videos. Do like, subscribe and share these videos. Please give your valuable comments for improvement of these videos. Thank you and see you again. Bye.